In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of adding payment options to your Big Cartel website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting out, setting up payments is a crucial step to ensure you can efficiently manage transactions with your customers. So let's dive in and simplify this process. First, you'll need to go to the Big Cartel website. It's a fantastic platform designed specifically for artists and small businesses, offering free, easy to use online stores. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the login section, which you'll find prominently displayed. After clicking on the login option, it's time to enter your shop's credentials. You'll need your unique shop URL and your password. If you haven't saved them yet, make sure they're handy or saved in a password manager to streamline future logins. Once you've input these details, click on the login button. With a successful login, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your central control hub where you manage all the aspects of your store. From here, you need to direct your attention to the account section. It's located on the side panel, easy to find and navigate. Scrolling down within the account section will reveal the payment options. This is where the magic begins. Keep scrolling until you see the Get Paid section. Click on it to proceed with setting up your payment options. It's crucial at this step to ensure you select the right payment provider based on your business needs. Once you're in the Get Paid section, you'll see an option to set up your payment options. Click on this to start integrating a payment provider. Here you have a couple of choices. If you're inclined towards using Stripe, look for the Connect Stripe button. Clicking this will prompt you to follow a series of steps to successfully link your store with your Stripe account. Follow each step diligently to ensure a secure connection, allowing you to handle credit and debit card payments efficiently. Alternatively, if you prefer using PayPal, you'd click on the Connect PayPal option instead. Follow the instructions provided to connect your PayPal account seamlessly. This is an excellent choice if your client base predominantly uses PayPal for transactions. Setting up these payment options ensures that your customers have a smooth and secure checkout experience, which is critical for boosting customer satisfaction and ultimately your sales. With payments set up, you'll be optimizing your shop for success. Shortly after following these straightforward steps, your Big Cartel store will be equipped to handle customer payments effectively. Remember, it's essential to revisit these settings periodically